How's it going, guys, and welcome to Best Trends. Today we will be going over 3 forms of heat transfer. Do you want some free V-Bucks?
No, God!
Well, we're giving away 15 cents worth of V-Bucks to 10 viewers. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications. And once you have done all that, comment down below. Free V-Bucks.
Heat energy transfer is the motion of heat transferring between two surfaces. This can be through radiation, conduction, or convection. These are all similar in the way that the more difference in temperature between the two sides, the faster the heat will transfer over the cooler side. Heat will always transfer to the cooler side until they both become the same temperature, where they will slowly decrease in temperature due to the heat being exposed to the air.
The difference between the three of the heat energy transfers is the way they transfer it. Conduction passes heat between surfaces making contact with each other. Conduction can be quicker or slower, depending on the type of surface used. Convection is when the heat goes up, cools down, goes back down, and heats up. Because hot air rises and cool air falls, it keeps on leaking with the cold air becoming hot again and the hot air becoming cold. Radiation is the fastest of the three, and can also be the most dangerous.
Radiation is also the most common form of heat transfer and the most versatile form of heat transfer. We use radiation all the time. For example, when we put our hands over the stove, the heat we feel is radiation. However, if you're smart enough to stick your hand right into fire, then that would be conduction. Most of the time, conduction, convection, and radiation work together. Convection is the water heating up and cooking the dog. Radiation is the heat coming from the fire.
This gives us the result of a cooked meal. Heat transfer is the best, but rather, if you get, yeah sure we use conduction and convection to boil stuff, we use radiation and microwaves to cook stuff too. Radiation is one of the reasons why we exist, and if the sun didn't emit heat from radiation, nothing would be alive on Earth.
Our product radiation is much better than the other two forms. Radiation is the most important costs virtually nothing. Without radiation, in our world, no life, no line, and no visibility on Earth. We wouldn't be alive, and we wouldn't be able to survive our lives to the extent we live in today. Radiation was the OG form of heat transfer, and should still be better than the rest.